Hello everybody. Yesterday we discussed about definition of sphere and solve the some type of problems. Today we also solving the some different types of problems, but already we know equation of sphere, and from that we define the general equation of the sphere. How to determine the general equation of the sphere? But already we know that equation of sphere is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square equal to a square. So let us consider as equation 1, where x1 y1 z1 is a center and r is a radius. From equation 1 we have expand the equation 1, x square plus x1 square minus 2x1x plus y square plus y1 square minus 2y1y plus z square plus z1 square minus 2z1z equal to a square. So now simplify this equation, we get here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of minus x1x plus 2 of minus y1y plus 2 of minus z1z plus x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square equal to 0. Now let us write the above equation: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So now here let us consider this equation as equation 2. From equation 2, here x1 equal to minus u, y1 equal to minus v, z1 equal to minus w, and where d equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square. Here a is the radius, so a is always greater than or equal to 0. So that's why d equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square also greater than or equal to 0. So that's why we are substituting here x1 y1 z1 equal to u minus v minus w. So we get here d equal to u square plus w square plus v square minus a square. So equation 2 is now equation 2 is represent a equation of sphere. So this equation is a general equation of the sphere. So now in equation 2, minus u minus v minus w is a center and radius is d equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus a square, and now we get here a square equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So a equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d is the radius of the general equation of the sphere. General equation of the sphere. At the same time, observe the equation 2. From equation 2, we have equation 2 is a second degree equation in x comma y comma z, and coefficient of x square y square z square are equal to 1, and there is no xy yz zx terms in equation 2. So every sphere equation denotes second degree equation, and at the same time x square y square z square coefficients are all are equal, and there is no xy yz zx terms in equation 2. So it is a general form of the equation. So now we discuss about another definition here: concentric sphere. Concentric sphere. Concentric sphere means if any two spheres have the same centers, then the spheres are called concentric spheres. So that means if any two spheres have the same centers, then the sphere are called concentric spheres. అంటే ఏవైనా రెండు గోళాలు ఒకే కేంద్రాన్ని కలిగి ఉంటే అట్టి గోళాలను ఏకకేంద్రీయ గోళాలు అని అంటారు. Now let us go to, we have to solve the some problems. So now first problem here, find the center and radius of the sphere. Find the center, radius of the sphere of the x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 2y minus 4z plus 14 equal to 0. Minus 14 equal to 0. So now solution of given problem. Given sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 2y minus 4z plus 14 equal to 0. Let us consider as equation 2. Now compare this equation 1 with general equation of the sphere. General equation of the sphere. So we know general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So now here 2u equal to minus 6, 2v equal to minus 2, 2w equal to 4, d equal to 14. But we know center is minus u minus v minus w equal to, we get here 3, 1, 2. And radius means r equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So now substitute the u, v, w and d values in formula of radius. We get here root of 9 plus 1 plus 4 minus 14 equal to root 0 equal to 0. So required center is 312 and required radius is 0. So here radius is 0. So then this sphere is called point sphere. So now we have to solve another problem also. Find the center and radius of the sphere. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0. So it is a given problem. Now solution of this problem. So in this problem given sphere is 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0. So let us take as equation 1. So now, but in equation 1, x square, y square, z square coefficients are all are equal. But at the same time, then we can write equation 1 as x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 2y plus z plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So let us consider as equation 2. So here I am doing total equation 1 is divided by 2 because of where x square, y square, z square coefficients are all are equal to 1. So now compare this equation with general equation of sphere. Then we get here 2u equal to minus 1, 2v equal to 2, 2w equal to 1 and d equal to 1 by 2. So we know center is minus u minus v minus w equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 and radius are equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So root of 1 by 4. U square means 1 by 2 whole square plus v square means minus 1 whole square means 1 plus w square. W square means minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So total ga here we get root of 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So let us take LCM is 4. So root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 2 by 4 equal to, where in the numerator minus 2 plus 2 is cancel and 4 by 4 is the 1, root 1 equal to 1. So radius is 1. Radius is 1. So required center is required center is 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 and required radius is 1. So after that we go to another problem. So this type of problems, so you can solve and another type of problem, the sphere throw given 4 points. ఏదైనా ఒక గోళం 4 బిందువుల గుండా పోయినప్పుడు కనుగొనే పద్ధతి. సో in the problem 4 points are given, but the sphere is passing through that 4 points. So the general equation of the sphere contains 4 parameters. Such a sphere uniquely determined so as to satisfy 4 conditions. సాధారణ గోళ సమీకరణం 4 యాదృచ్ఛిక పారామితులను కలిగి ఉంటుంటే అది ఏకైకం కావాలంటే 4 నియమాలను పాటించాలి. So now here I am taking 4 points. Let us take 4 points are x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3 and x3 x4 y4 z4. But the general sphere equation is passing through the given 4 points. So the general equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So let us take equation 1. But equation 1 is passing through the x1 y1 z1. So we get here x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square plus 2ux1 2vy1 plus 2wz1 plus d equal to 0. So denoted as equation 2. Similarly we get here, the general equation of sphere is also passing through the remaining 3 points. After that we get here x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square minus plus 2ux2 2vy2 plus 2wz2 plus d equal to 0. So let us consider equation 3 and equation 4, equation 5. Now solving the equations 2, 3, 4, 5, then we get the values of u, v, w and d. So after that we substitute the values u, v, w and d in equation 1. Then we get the required sphere equation. So now we have to solve this type of problem. Find the equation of the sphere through the points 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1 and 1, 1, minus 1. So in this problem here 4 points are given and after that they ask to find the equation of sphere. So but we know general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So let us take equation 1. After that equation 1 is passing through the point 0, 0, 0. So then we get from equation 1. So that means the origin point is satisfy the equation 1. So that means we get here d equal to 0. So let us take equation 2. So at the same time equation 1 is also passing through the second point. Second point is here minus 1, 1, 1. So now substitute the minus 1, 1, 1 in equation 1. We get here 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2u plus 2v plus 2z 2w plus d equal to 0. But here d equal to 0. So minus 2u plus 2v plus 2w equal to minus 3. So take the common on both side minus and cancel on both sides minus, we get here 2u plus minus 2v minus 2w equal to 3. So let us take equation 2. Similarly, equation 1. Equation 1 means here general equation of this sphere is passing through the third point. Third point is here 1 minus 1 1. So now substitute the 1 minus 1 1 in equation 1. We get here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2u minus 2v plus 2w plus d equal to 0. So 2u minus 2v plus 2w equal to minus 3. So let us take equation 3. So at the same time, so last point, fourth point is also lies on the equation 1. So that means equation 1 is also passing through the fourth point. Fourth point is here 1 1 minus 1. So then we get here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2u plus 2v minus 2w plus d equal to 0. So we simplify the above equation, we get here 2u plus 2v minus 2w equal to minus 3. Let us take equation 4. Now solve the equation 2 and equation 3. So 2u minus 2v minus 2w equal to 3. 2u minus 2v plus 2w equal to minus 3. Now adding these two equations here cancelling minus 2w plus 2w and 2u are cancel. We get here minus 4w equal to 6. So w equal to minus 6 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 2. So similarly we can solve the equation 3 and equation 4. We get here 2u minus 2v plus 2w equal to minus 3. 2u plus 2v minus 2w equal to minus 3. So now solving these two equations, we get here minus 4v plus 4w equal to 0. So minus v plus w equal to 0, minus v equal to minus w. But we know w value minus 3 by 2. So minus of minus 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. So v equal to minus 3 by 2. So now substitute the values v, w in equation 2. Then we get here 2u minus 2v minus 2w equal to 3. 2u minus 2v. So minus 2v, here v means minus 3 by 2. So minus 2 cancel plus 3. Similarly minus 2w means minus 2 cancel plus 3 equal to 3. So 2u equal to 3 minus 6 and u equal to minus 3 by 2. So here also we get here u value is the minus 3 by 2. Now substitute the u, v, w and d values in equation 1. X square plus y square z square plus 2 of minus 3 by 2 x plus 2 of minus 3 by 2 y plus 2 of minus 3 by 2 z plus 0 equal to 0. So required sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x minus 3y minus 3z equal to 0. So here in this problem 4 points are given. Find the equation of sphere. That means these 4 points are lies on the general equation of this sphere. After that substitute in general equation of this sphere, then we get the 4 equations. Now solve that 4 equations, then we get u, v, w and d values. Now substitute these values in equation 1, we get the required sphere equation. So now we have to solve another problem, this type of problem, another problem. Find the equation of the sphere through the points 0 0 0, minus a b c, a minus b c and a b minus c. Now solution of this problem, but already we know general equation of this sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Let us take equation 1. But equation 1 is passing through the point 0, 0, 0 is the first point. So now substitute this values. This values means x, y, z values in equation 1. We get here d equal to 0. So let us take as 2. Equation 2. Similarly, equation 1 is also passing through the second point. Here second point is minus a, b, c. So, in place of xyz, substitute the minus a, b, c in equation 1. We get here a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ua plus 2vb plus 2wc plus d equal to 0. But here d equal to 0 from equation 2, and let us take a square b square plus c square on right side. We get here minus 2ua plus 2vb plus 2wc equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square. Let us take as equation 3. And similarly, equation 1 is also passing through the third point. Here third point is a minus b, c. So now substitute in place of xyz a minus b c in equation 1. We get here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ua minus 2vb plus 2wc plus d equal to 0. From equation 2 we know d equal to 0. So we get here 2ua minus 2vb plus 2wc equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square is a, let us take as equation 4. Similarly, equation 3 is also passing through the fourth point. Here fourth point is the a, b minus c. So we can substitute the value in equation 1. We get here 2ua plus 2vb minus 2wc equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square is the equation 5. Now solving the equation 3 and equation 4. That means here now I am adding the 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. That means in equation 3 minus 2ua is the negative. In equation 4 2ua is a positive. And similarly in equation 3 2vb is a positive. In equation 4 minus 2vb is a negative. So both are will cancelled. So we get here 4wc equal to right side value is a minus 2 of a square plus b square plus c square. So w equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square by 2c. Both side 2 to cancel here. So similarly we can add the equation 4, equation 5. Then we get here u equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square by 2a. At the same time we can add the equation 3 and equation 5. We get here v equal to minus of a square plus b square plus c square by 2b. Now substitute the this values. This values means u, v, w and d in equation 1. Then we get the equation of sphere. So that's why here we are getting here required sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus of a square plus b square plus c square into x by a minus of x square a square plus b square plus c square into y by b minus of a square plus b square plus c square into z by c equal to 0 is a required sphere equation. So this sphere equation is also passing through the 4 points. So now here solve another problem also. Find the equation of the sphere through the origin makes intercepts small a comma b comma c on the coordinate axis. On the coordinate axis. So now solution of this problem. Solution of this problem. This problem is also passing through the 4 points, but here given the only one point, origin point. Origin point means here 0 0 0, but another 3 points also here given indirectly, so intersects and makes the equation sphere is makes intercepts a b c on the coordinate axis. But we know coordinate axis are x axis, y axis, z axis. On x axis intercept is small a. That means in x axis anywhere we have the point is small a comma 0 comma 0. So that means in x axis, y axis, z axis is 0. So similarly the intersect of y axis is b. So that means where point b is 0 comma b comma 0. So this the intersect of z axis is c. So the point c is 0 comma 0 comma c. But we know general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz. 2wz. 2wz plus d equal to 0. So let us take equation 1. Now this equation means equation 1 is passing through the origin and point A, point B, point C. Here point A is the small a comma 0 comma 0 and point B is 0 comma small b comma 0 and point C is the 0 comma 0 comma C. So now first of all we take the origin point. So equation 1 is passing through the origin 0 0 0. So then we get here d equal to 0. So let us denote it as equation 2. At the same time equation 1 is also passing through the point capital A of small a comma 0 comma 0. So here small a is the intersect of x axis. That means in x on the x axis y term z terms are the 0. Y coordinate z coordinate is the 0. So now equation 1, from equation 1 we get here small a square plus 2ua plus d equal to 0. But from equation 2 we have d equal to 0. So a square plus 2ua equal to 0. So 2ua equal to minus a square, u equal to minus a by 2. Similarly, equation 1 is also passing through the point capital B and capital C. Then we get v equal to minus b by 2 and similarly we get w equal to minus c by 2. Now substitute the values u, v, w and d in equation 1. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of minus a by 2x plus 2 of minus b by 2y plus 2 of minus c by 2z plus 0 equal to 0. So required sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0 is the required equation of sphere. So it is a solution of given problem. So tomorrow onwards we have to solve another type of problems. Today class is over. Thank you. We have to solve this type of problems also. So tomorrow I have to give some different types of problems. Then after that will you continue the class tomorrow onwards. So it is today class is the over. Thank you so much.